Most often, you find it difficult to guess the movement of the stock in intraday. Way to enter and exit the stocks. How much percentage will it go up? Will the stock goes up 3%, 5%, 10% or even more? Same is the case in fall as well. Guessing up to what level it will fall is difficult. I will tell you how you can select the perfect stock and its movement. If you get to know how to get a perfect return of 2% in intraday equity trade with minimum risk and good returns, it interests you to do daily intraday. Hi, I am Manoj Kothari. Everyone who start investing in share market would definitely like to try intraday as well. How will you do intraday? Just selecting random stocks and do the guess, or watching the news and trade in that company script? Will it give you perfect return? Maybe not. A stock is up by 0.5% and you buy it assuming it will go up to 2%, 3% or so. Will it give you perfect return? Maybe not. Most of the time it is difficult to guess the movement in markets. Many traders think as a stock has gone up 3% or 5%, it will come down from there. They short sell there. But it still goes up to say 7%. They again think it will go down from here. They again short sell. In the end, they have to cover it in loss in intraday. When any stock is moving up, it means it may go up further. Do not short sell on the rising stock. Same, when any stock is coming down, it means it may go down further. Do not buy when the stock is falling in intraday. Patience and discipline will benefit the traders, keeping emotions and snap judgments in check. Patience is a key in share market. Smartness is to wait and look for a perfect movement. I will tell you how you can look for a perfect movement and make a return of up to 2%. Before starting, if you are new to this channel and watching it for the first time, I request you to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you will get an intimation when I upload my next video. For perfect return of up to 2%, check for the stocks which are up near to 3% during the market hours. Go to moneycontrol.com. In markets, select top gainers, all companies. If you want to be on the buy side, select top gainers. If you want to be on the sell side, select top losers. Suppose you want to buy. Check for the stocks which are up near to 3%. You buy there. You may see it moving up to 5%. Duration should be between 9:30 a.m. to 3:15 p.m. For any stock to move, it is not required that there should be some news. Also, we can't judge how much percentage the stock will move. That's why if you stick to this movement and exits once the stock reaches those percentage levels, there are high chances you will succeed in intraday trades. This strategy may not work for Nifty 50 stocks as they move according to indices and other factors. Let's look at some stock movements. Trade date 9th March. Dynamic Products Limited. Previous close is 452. So look for a movement of 3%, which is 465. Buy at 465 for a target of 474. Buy at 465, target 474. It reaches within a minute, within 2 minutes. Movement will be fast from 3% to 5% most of the time. It may go even further up, but we should be looking for a movement of 3 to 5%. JM Financial. Previous close 92.6. So look for a movement of 3%, which is 95.4. Target 97.2. Many times you find like 3 to 5% movement will happen in 2 minutes or 5 minutes. Sometimes it may take a little longer time. Ramco Industries. Previous close 257. We should be looking for a movement of 3%, means 265. Target 270. This strategy of 2%, that is a 3% to 5% movement, will work even in the falling side. See the Rain Industries. The previous close is 156. So we should be looking at a 3% downside, which is 151.4. As it comes to 151.4, sell there for intraday for a target of 148, which is a return of a 2%. So even on the fall side, you can work for a return of 2% from 3% to 5% minus. Godavari Powers and Inspired Limited. Previous close is 565. We should be looking at 3% minus, which is 548. Wait until it comes to 548. The moment it comes 548, sell there. Target of 537. You can see that movement over a period. Date 10th March. Aegis Logistic Limited. Previous close 308. So we are on the rising side. Wait till it comes to 317. Target should be 323. Within a span of 3 minutes, it reaches there. Asahi India Glass Limited. Previous close 319. Wait until it comes to 328. Target 335. It may go within a span of 2 to 3 minutes. Sangvi Movers. Previous close 113. Wait until it comes to 3%. 116. So buy when it is at 116 level for a target of 118.65. Either on rise or fall side, take a position when stock movement is at 3% for a target movement of 5%. Stock may move even further, but our target return should be 2%, as on most occasions it reverses from 5% levels. So do a smart trade to gain a perfect return of 2% in intraday. Means 30 to 40% on a monthly basis with this smart trick. Don't guess your trade. Trade smart.